Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're going to be installing this big old box. Oh.
Done.
10 points if you guess what it is from there. Any guesses? Any guesses?
A spoiler.
10 points! Alright, so let's get this box open and then I'll show you.
I think it's bigger than you.
It is a big.
Almost.
Almost, nearly. Let's get it open! It's got shite tape on, so we don't need a tape thing. Oh, just quickly, it is not
Painted.
It's not painted, so we have got spray paint. We're gonna have to paint it. Why is it yellow?
Look at that.
We've got the new spoiler.
Just wing it.
It's in there.
Just wing it.
And then we'll do montage.
Wing it.
Stop it. Oh.
Wing it. Just wing it. It's a spoiler. Or we could call it a wing.
So here, we've got the new spoiler.
Yep.
It's in, I can call it a splitter.
Yeah, I know, it's really annoying. Wow, look at that. It looks like a Milky Bar.
Wow.
Looks like a Milky Bar. That's cool though.
Will that need sanding or whatever?
No, I think that's good.
Nice.
I think it is.
Perfect. Yeah, I think it might have already been sanded.
Yeah. And then what else you got?
I don't know.
Do you even know?
No.
It's adhesive. I think. Oh my god, this massive spider.
What?
Joking. Fucking hell, guys, there's no holding back Chloe. Look, she's already getting on painting.
Yeah, why hang about?
Should we put it up to the car first?
Yeah, let's show you guys what it's gonna semi-look like.
So go on, show us, Chloe.
Okay, let's have a look.
It's quite smart how this goes on.
Yeah, we'll put it, let's see what it looks. Semi-look. So look, they kind of attach to that.
Yeah.
And that one attaches to that.
You'll go.
Look at this, it looks like Michael's.
Yeah.
With a little wing thing.
That looks really weird from this side. No, like,
Oh, no.
it's a bit out there, but it looks cool.
Too out there.
Nah, not too out there.
Oh no, am I gonna look like a weirdo?
Nah, come on. They have these stock on these cars. Yeah.
Well, people will be like, why have you done that? I haven't. The first step we're gonna do, spray paint. We've just finished priming the spoiler.
Looks good.
Yeah, that's how it's done. And now I'm just shaking up the black paint and I'm gonna spray paint it.
Several days later.
Okay, so it's about a week or so later. We've just waited for the spoiler to be finished drying completely. It looks pretty good.
Shall I show you? I'll give you a little model.
Yeah, go on, you show us.
It's not obviously
Wow, it's not perfect. I messed up on, where is it? Here, I made it. I don't know if you can see, I dribbled it.
Ah, that's fine, man. Nobody's gonna see.
But, so yeah, we've just cleaned it up a little bit, and then we're gonna see about fitting it onto the thing.
Nice. That's gonna look awesome.
So it comes with this glue, so we're gonna stick it on with that first, and then Mike's gonna try and put some screws in on like the side, just so it's a little bit more safe and secure.
It's all done. Kind of. We haven't done the screws yet, but...
Yeah, but this is it glued.
Oh!
That's pretty cool, you know.
It's a little go-kart, mate.
Yeah, Cindy is looking speedy.
That is, I think that looks sick, actually.
Have a look on the side. You've got to make all the excess glue glue.
Oh yeah.
We've got most of it, but we're gonna get all of this shit off when it's dry.
Oh wow, that's weird.
Look at it.
Jesus.
And it's also really dirty. Ignore that part too.
Oh. Just ignore the spoiler. Don't look at it.
Yeah.
Look at a fly there. What's up, bro? Oh, that's my guy.
That's good.
It looks really good actually. Very different, but I mean these come factory with the
I
Citroens.
quite like that, so that I don't look like an absolute dickhead.
No, because these are actually factory spoilers.
Mine's just DIY.
Yeah. No, I really like that. Looks sick. It literally looks like a spaceship, a little toy spaceship. I rate it. Let us know what you guys think.
Rate out of 10.
Looking through the camera screen, it looks absolutely sick. Obviously, yeah. Well, and in real life, but.
What's your rating then? Everyone else rate it.
Rate it.
Rate it too. Leave a comment.
It's not a complete snug fit.
The fuck? We still haven't seen if the boot will open properly.
Oh yeah.
But maybe we'll do that in a bit.
I think a 7 out of 10.
7?
That's good. It's not perfect.
Oh. Well, I'm rating a 10 out of 10.
Look
Maybe
at that.
11.
Stand next to it. Gee, look at that. We're making a go-kart, mate.
You know, this wouldn't be Cindy the Citroen, or we wouldn't be doing a job with Michael if we didn't make it
Ugly.
an absolute ugly B-Tech job.
Oh, it's worked.
But it's fine. So we've screwed some screws in. They are bronze screws. I'm going to see if I can Sharpie them in black.
Or spray paint them.
Or something. But we put the glue on. I actually felt kind of secure, but we just thought
We don't want it flying off.
screws are better. So we screwed it. The glue kind of come off a bit, but it's fine. Look, we've got screw. I'm going to tidy this all up. Screw. Screw. Another screw. It's fine. It looks great.
Why would we? It's better to rely on hardware, something that's screwed into it, rather than glue that could melt in the heat.
Look, Cindy, this is just Cindy, you know. She's got screws in her spoiler. She's got a shite steering wheel cover. We've got slightly dodgy glue bits. It's the uniqueness that we love. Isn't that right, Stewie? Okay, so that is the spoiler installed on Cindy. We still do need to clean it all and try and colour these screws in black, but it's pretty much finished. This is pretty much what it's going to look like.
Well, it is what it looks like.
Clean.
Okay.
But I like it. I think it looks really good actually.
Yeah, I like it too.
And it's cool, it's not too much, but cool. And we did it ourselves.
Yeah.
Better.
Come on. We didn't go to somebody. He doesn't look the best, but
DIY. But we know hard work.
Hard-earned work. What?
But yeah, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Follow me on Instagram at @CHL_.OE. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you, or will see you, in my next video. Bye! What?